So, today I am playing Slime Rancher. Hello, my name is Gaming Squirrel. So, this is my first ever video. Yeah, so this is gonna be my first ever video. I already played once a game. Today I'm gonna be playing once again. But if you be confused, it's okay. I will learn you guys a little bit. So, we're gonna be a new game. We call ourselves, Gaming Squirrel. Obviously. Squirrel. I forgot how to spell that. That's okay. Gonna make confirm we are playing Slime Rancher, and we also in the future gonna be doing mods. Now I know this game is one of the more old, and I had a channel where I did Slime Rancher gaming, so yeah. So separate playing game. Ooh, I never played on a thing, so W forward. W. I use this one, the arrows. It's kind of easy. And how do you jump? Hold shift. Oh, which letter though? Wait, which letter though? You see, I don't have a mouse, which is not good. Hold on. We can always look at pin options. Maybe L. Let's do L. Now, that's more better. So then we also can change all the ones where there are none. We can change all of them. So we can do space. Spring we can do. Oh, we can't do the speed. Oh well. Resume back. Now we can move L and also move. Okay, let's start the game actually. Yeah, so that's the first slide we can see. Oh, the graphics are better! They look adorable in the PC. They never played in the PC or laptop in the game. I always played in the Xbox. They look more cuter. Whoa. That's interesting. Menu. I don't have a mouse for now, so that's good. So why am I using for now the letters? Because then we couldn't see like do it. So yeah. Is it not E-Spain? Because I did watch some videos. Oh, okay, I'm gonna do clown. I can actually launch the... Shoot attack. So that... Oh! Hold on, we're gonna have to go back to options. Shoot. Oh, we don't have any. No. Oh no. Actually, oh. Oh, it's gonna be this. The thing. This should. We're gonna be calling this video options. Okay, so that's the door. That's really adorable. The other, we can put the other signs. We can also get the vegetables. Hold on. I wish I... Oh, we can't press. Hold on. Options. Input. And... jump is that. Announcement. Gadget mode. Oh yeah, slot 1. So we can use... Oh! Hold on. Wow! I feel kinda dumb! Because this is my first time having a computer. Yes, that is first. I'm really confused, and if you have more to say, please say in the comments, right? We've barely done anything. This video will be 15 minutes, and we will do an episode 2 next week on Sunday. Also have to do prediction video too. So we might be doing 2 videos, but the other video is going to be released tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm going to school, and then when I'm home I can post it. So we don't really need a lot. Come here, come here. I think 10 will be enough. I know how it looks when they gather way too much. The graphics are so way better than the Xbox, which is pretty good for me. I don't really like when it's way, like they don't look like sick. They kind of look more circular in the Xbox. So I'm really excited how it will look in the next game. Simon, this is the reason why I'm playing on the PC, to practice, to know how to play. And of course for your content, because I already done one a YouTube channel, but it sadly didn't really work, and then it did get back. Before getting copyrighted videos. So, and you probably get a wrong side. Oh, I had give you a... Oh, there it is. It's so cute. Why are they cute? PC or laptop? I don't know what it is. Whatever. I mean... Some more signs here. Yeah, there's a Tabby sign. But we don't have much room, but we can also here. Hey. No, not the car. I don't know how to launch. shoot again. Oh yeah, oh! There we go. There it goes. I think we should do 5 rocks. Some fruit. Oh, there it is. I'm kind of getting used to it too. Yes! Oh, phew! It's another place. I think next episode we're gonna do a Gordo. Still know it's a Gordo? Well, it's a thing here where you have to explode. It's kind of like a boss. And you can explode it and get a key or a teleport. I would prefer a key because it's better. And you open new expansions some chicken. This is such a good computer. It really wasn't expensive, actually, really expensive. I don't know why I can't say my words today. I'm really good at English. I am actually, I'm not gonna say my age, but I'm a teenager, so if you're thinking, if you're a teenager, then why are you mixing up the words? Well, I don't know, I'm kind of really tired. I am not lazy to do the video, right? But it's kind of pretty, nearly 5 o'clock, so I'm kind of tired. And plus, if I want to make them, I don't know. Anyway, I don't know if we can do mods on HP. I think you need to have a PC to do. But we will see in the future. Also gonna get Coop and I think my sons will be hungry. Let's start with the pink and then the blue. Rock slimes. I wanted to say blue slimes, but it would be good if I showed my face. Well, you're gonna see if it will work. And then you know, some vegetables to feed my slime. Ooh. How do you? Is it not like that? Oh yeah. I wanna get Coop, and then we are gonna end. And then next episode, what are we gonna be doing? If we're gonna get the Gordo, can Tabby some slime in the house, home. It's time to get some more stuff, and we're also gonna definitely get a backpack. So. This is the pig types. And then I spelled the wrong one. Then it's a pig one. Why is it there? This is so confusing. But they're not hungry. But they do. Come on, eat it! There we go. Now sorry, wrong creature. Oh, there's a Marcy. want to get just walk. Oh yeah. I will get another game. So, and then we're gonna be also gonna do the prediction, of course. Prediction video today and release it tomorrow. I will also do an update video. So we're gonna be doing another. It's not a prediction, but we will be doing a paragraph, PowerPoint, something like that. Come on. Come on. There we go. And then we're gonna be talking about what's gonna happen, because we need to know. You guys need to know what we're gonna be doing in this series. Don't forget what I'm doing. It's so hard. We said I'm gonna end in 15. It's more than 15. Just kind of I'm sorry for being really slow. We're finally in 19 minutes. So this is probably going to be around 20. Come on. There we go. Getting more corrupt. I don't want to no, I don't really want to say, like, I'm going to be doing another, and then doing like 100 stuff, maybe like 40 minutes. My videos in last channel were really pretty long, which was pretty annoying, because obviously you gotta understand why are. It'd be a little too long because it is like a really strong, hard, pretty hard game. So you do understand why it would be hard. But Slime Rancher, how can a video be long? Not that long. It takes at least 6. It's only like what 6 locations. That's it. You get the slime and then nothing to do. Like that's super easy. These are the sorry. What? Where's the penguin? This is so like hard because what is going on? No! This is so weird. Weird, hard. It should be like another 20. So this is I'm gonna get more food. Sorry, food. This is not gonna be like one of the most boring videos for you, but it's at least we're trying. So we have 18. Let's try. If it doesn't work, I don't know. We also gonna see if we can do another option tomorrow. Or no, next time we're gonna do some review. Yes! In 387. That was fast. Oh my god. Okay, we're happy. Yeah, we're gonna get the coupe. Know what it does. It keeps chickens quiet. There we go. And 3, 5. And this will be the end. It's been 21 minutes. Perfect time to end. Bye.